So now let's see how we can go ahead and delete out users that we don't want from our wordpress.com's website. So to access out the users that we don't want, on the left hand side you can go around onto the users section and then click on all users. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I got 3 users right here. And let's say I don't want this third user anymore. Let's say he's not our partner or she's not our partner anymore, and we don't have access. We don't want them to have access to this particular website. In that case, you can go ahead and then click right here, and then you can simply see that remove tube channel 3 is an option. If you were to click on this and click on remove, then what happens is that they will now no longer have access to this particular website right here, and that's as easy that it is. So you can also go ahead and add a team member and re-invite that member as well if you want to, easily again as well. And that is how you can go ahead and delete out users inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.